What's going on, guys? This is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today we're going for a drive in this 2024 Ford Expedition Limited. This vehicle has a 3.5 liter V6 with 400 horsepower and 480 pound-feet of torque and a 10-speed automatic transmission. I like those power figures, and the torque figure is really good too. This is a great family hauler right here. It's like a school bus. You got captain's chairs and a pretty spacious third row to fit 7 passengers, and you have a big panoramic sunroof, as you can see right here. I love this beautiful mahogany interior. Really good ride height. These things are massive SUVs. You have a nice screen in here. 2025, I believe, was a facelift or redesign. It was redesigned. You have this little dial selector for the drive modes, reverse camera, no 360 view, wireless charging tray over there, but it is a little hard to keep my phone on the tray itself, so that's an interesting design. You have a massive center console, little storage for coins. You can fit so much stuff in here. This is a huge cup holders over here, wood trim. You can also fit some coins over there too. Drive modes, normal, tow, haul, slippery, trail, eco, sport. So it's not a full digital gauge cluster, but you have a big center screen and analog gauges. You can also move the foot pedals front and back. You have a B&O sound system in this car. But let's walk around and see what it looks like. White exterior. These are the wheels you get on the limited trim. You have full LED headlights. Here are the rear seats. You also have a charging port back there, which is cool. Or like a wall charger to plug in like your normal, to plug in like a wall charging outlet, which is cool, or cord. So it's manual trunk, looks like. Here's a space with the third row up, but if you want more room, you can obviously fold the third row. Looks like you have some buttons over there to do so. Okay, so it does close automatically if you press the button. It's a big SUV, and then in like those tail lights were like in the facelifted version of this generation of the Expedition. I like the back of this one better than the way the new one looks personally, but that's just me though. But let's take it out on the road. Yeah, this thing definitely has some power. It picks up speeds so fast. With 400 horsepower and 480 pound-feet of torque, that's really no surprise. But this thing, for its size, can really get up and go when you put your foot down. That's impressive. Very impressive acceleration. I like that. This isn't one of those family haulers in which you're gonna feel like, oh man, this thing's so slow. This thing's not like that at all. Instead of a minivan, you could just drive this, which has really good power. And the 10-speed automatic is very responsive. It does a great job in a lot of Ford and Lincoln products. Like, look, I barely have my foot on the gas, and this thing is just like flying. It's very effortless acceleration. And I really like this white with mahogany color combination. I think it looks fantastic. And the screen is very easy to use. You have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. I'm not sure if they're wireless or wired. I'd have to double check that. Yeah, ride height and everything feels great. The ride is very smooth. Let's put it in the normal mode now. I like those little graphics for each mode. It's kind of cool. And you also have ventilated and heated seats. I forgot to mention that. And the ventilated seats are doing a great job cooling my back right now. Yeah, look at that pickup. I really like the way this car drives for being a massive SUV. It's probably a great road trip vehicle. Just cruise along the highway. You also have adaptive cruise control and lane keep assist, as you can see those buttons right there. Like even like look at the legroom in the center, and even the third row. Like I'm 6'2", and I can probably fit in that third row and sit there for a decent amount of time without feeling uncomfortable. And those captain's chairs, you can really just like lay back and sleep. That's pretty cool. Nice ride. As I said, I'd rather just have this over a minivan. You can fit literally the same amount of people while and it looks a lot better than a minivan. It's a lot faster than a minivan, much bit more fun to drive. But yeah, while you might compromise a little bit on the cargo space, I don't think it's gonna be that much of a difference if you have the third row down. Depends on the one you're comparing it to, of course, but overall, this is just a much better vehicle to drive than a minivan. And it's overall very nice, especially this limited trim. Like the XLTs will come with cloth, but it can also come with leather if you get it equipped that way. But all the limiteds have leather, and especially if you get one in this color combo, white with mahogany, I think it looks really nice. I'm pretty impressed. I haven't driven many Expeditions, but really like this one. And it looks good too, as you can see. It's massive. But overall, very nice Ford Expedition Limited. Thanks for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubb's family dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for big SUVs like this Ford.